Today we will learn about capacity and do conversion. So capacity is the third physical quality that can be measured. We know, children, meaning of capacity is amount of liquid a container can hold. Liquids don't have any shape. आप किसी लिक्विड पानी को या मिल्क को किसी कंटेनर में डालेंगे उसका वही शेप हो जाएगा और वहीं से उसको हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. What are the units? Liters and milliliters are the two units to measure liquids. ml we write for milliliters and L we write for liters. Yes, how to measure it? We have special containers to measure liquids. I have one at home. This is also called liter to measure and they are available in different size. You must have seen with your milkman. If not, then try it today. Just observe what your milkman brings to measure milk. Yes, standard unit to measure capacity is liter. One of the important points you must remember can be asked as a fill in the blank. Larger quantity of liquids are measured in liters, like water in your water tank or swimming pool, or oil in a big tin or a barrel of oil. So these are large quantities of liquids that are measured in liters. Small quantity liquids are measured in milliliters. ml stands for milliliters. Small quantity of liquids like perfumes, the liquid in perfumes, or eye drops, or cough syrups, or hair oil and shampoo. These are certain liquids that are measured in milliliters. So small quantity are measured in milliliters. Milliliter is smaller and liter is bigger. Both are having a relationship that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So liters and milliliters do the same job of measuring capacity. Hence, it is possible to convert liters into milliliters and also milliliters into liters. So there are few rules when you multiply by 1000 and when you divide by 1000. I'll discuss it in the exercise. So be ready for the exercise. Here is question 1 of exercise 8.6. Convert the following capacities into milliliters. After into, the word written is milliliters. It means that you want your answer unit in milliliters. आपको answer milliliters में चाहिए. And see the question. Question is having 9 liters. So liter is the unit of your question. आपका question है liters में, आपको answer चाहिए milliliters में. So if this is the direction of conversion, you multiply by 1000. एक तरीका है इसको याद रखने का. When you are moving from a smaller unit to from a bigger larger unit to smaller unit, you multiply. अगर हम larger unit से smaller unit में जाते हैं तो multiply करते हैं. इसे LSM rule भी कहते हैं. I'll discuss a little later. Okay. So here question is 9 liter and what? You want your answer entirely in milliliters. So what to do? You must know the relation. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters and you have to box it. So 9 liters को convert करना है milliliters में. 9 multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000 is the rule. Let us do the multiplication. Multiplication with 1000. 1000 is a zero ending special number. जितने 0,000 में है हम उतने ही zero लिखेंगे. Then I will multiply the non-zero numbers. 9 ones are 9 and put the unit ml. This is your answer. 9 liters is equal to 9000 milliliters. अगर 1 लीटर 1000 मिलीलीटर्स है तो 9 लीटर्स 9000 मिलीलीटर्स है. सेम वे 5 लीटर्स इज 5000 मिलीलीटर्स and 6 liters is 6000 milliliters. So we can come to this point very easily. Next part is E part. Capacity can also be in combination of liters and milliliters. तब अगर आपको milliliters में convert करना है तो what you will do? 6 liters and 55 milliliters. इसे convert करना है हमें milliliters में. हमें पूरा आंसर चाहिए milliliters में. So what we will convert? 6 liters को तो हम convert करेंगे. 6 liters we know it is 6000 milliliters. Or 55 milliliters already it is milliliters. So we will just keep it as it is and add when we will convert 6 liters into milliliters. Here 6 liters will be 6000 milliliters. You have to multiply and 55 milliliters is to be added. आप directly 6 और 55 का addition नहीं करेंगे. What you need? You need to convert 6 liters into milliliters by just multiplying by 1000. एक step मैं लिखना भूल गई थी. हियर आई हैव रिटन इट. सो 6 लीटर्स को हमने 6000 मिलीलीटर्स में कन्वर्ट किया है. देन आई कैन ऐड 55 मिलीलीटर्स बिकॉज वी ऐड दोज नंबर्स विच आर हैविंग सेम आइटम नेम. अगर यहाँ पे देखो 6 का आइटम नेम लीटर है, 55 का मिलीलीटर्स है, हम डायरेक्टली 6 और 55 को ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं. 6 को पहले कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन आई विल ऐड टू 55 मिलीलीटर्स. So after converting 6 into 1000, I will add 55. Now when you add, please take care of placing the numbers. 6000 plus 55. It is a 2-digit number, so you will place it at ones and tens place. Now I am adding here. The answer is 6055. 6055 milliliters is our answer. So here we are converting liters into milliliters. Now let's see another type of question. Here's question 2. Convert the following capacities into liters. Convert into liters means I want my answer unit in liters. और मेरा question किस unit में दिया हुआ है? Question is given in milliliters. So when there is movement of conversion from milliliters to liters, मतलब question में आपको milliliter दिया है, आपको आंसर liters में चाहिए, तो here we divide by 1000. Divide by 1000 क्यों करेंगे? क्योंकि रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मिलीलीटर्स एंड लीटर्स इज ऑफ 1000. एंड वाई टू डिवाइड? यू कैन रिमेंबर विद द सिंपल रूल. इट इज अ स्मॉल यूनिट मिलीलीटर्स. मिलीलीटर्स का हमें आंसर लीटर्स में चाहिए और मिलीलीटर से लार्जर यूनिट है लीटर्स. तो जब स्मॉल टू लार्ज करते हैं तो वी डिवाइड. सो SLD इज सम शॉर्ट tagline to remember. SLD like small to large we divide. आप इस रूल को आगे की क्लासेस में और सीखेंगे. So let us apply this rule here that when we are converting milliliters to liters we will divide by 1000. Relation आप लिखेंगे 1000 यूनिट का. So 300 milliliters can be 3000 divided by 1000. Now when we are dividing by 1000 has 3 zeros. We are doing mental maths here. हम लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स को सेपरेट कर देंगे. 0 0 0 is the last 3 digits and this one digit gets separated. So in our answer we will have 3 as liters and 0 as milliliters. So this 3000 milliliters is equal to 3 liters. जब milliliter 0 है तो हम उसको नहीं लिखते हैं या बोलते हैं. So you can write your answer as 3 liters. This is your answer. We know that 3 liters is 3000 milliliters or 3000 milliliters is equal to 3 liters. Let us see some more conversion. 8200 milliliters is the question. I want to get the answer in liters. But if there is any remainder, you can have it as milliliters. Okay. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 8200 को हम divide by 1000 कर रहे हैं. What we do when we divide by 1000 is having 3 zeros. Last 3 digits will be separated because they will do remainder of division. तो 200 हमने separate कर लिया है और 8 को separate कर लिया है. So 8 will become the bigger unit, that is liters. 200 will become the smaller unit, that is milliliters. So that is our answer. Let us see one more time. 6079 milliliters has to be converted into liters and milliliters. Yes, I didn't write the answer here. Here it is 8 liters 200 milliliters. Come on. 6079. तो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे इसका आंसर? डिवाइड बाय 1000 करके. 1000 is having 3 zeros. लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स को हम सेपरेट कर लेते हैं और 6 यहाँ पे सेपरेट हो गया. So 6 is liters and 079 is milliliters. 079 means 79 only. So I am writing again the answer 6 liters and 79 milliliters. This is your answer. So conversion में rules होते हैं. Multiply करना है या divide करना है. You have to remember these rules. And more questions are there to be done. You will complete this in your notebook.